put there for almost a year, and you can see the tires, and there's no place left so that we can attach the tires. So that's why we are going to put it out a little bit so that we can attach the tires. Hello guys, welcome back again to GMC Garage, and as I have told you that we are shifting our garage. So today is a very hard day and it is a very major project that we are today. So now that you are seeing the Hilux is in front of you, we started it up, but we haven't cleaned it up yet because the weather is down here and it hasn't been polished yet, so wiping it off might cause scratches. So that's why I haven't cleaned it up. And what we are gonna do is that we are gonna pull a vehicle out with the help of this Hilux. So let me show you the other one. We have also moved this aside, and now as you can see, this is the vehicle that we are going to put out. It has been put there for almost an year, and you can see it has no tires and there is no place left so that we can attach the tires to it. So that's why we are going to pull it out a little bit so that we can attach the tires to this vehicle, and it is going to be a huge challenge. Let's see if the Hilux can do it or not. We're not going to over push the Hilux because it might damage the vehicle. We'll just try to pull it out slight a bit easily. If the vehicle will be suffering too much, then we'll find some other way. So now let's begin with it. Now we have started up the vehicle and the vehicle is in place. Now we are going to tow the other vehicle with it. So now we are going to tow them together. Unfortunately, we weren't able to pull it out without the tires. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to attach the tires. We have attached two of the front tires. Now it's on the tires, but the back ones are remaining and the place is a little bit cringy. It's very difficult to get there. So now we are going to attach the back tires and then we'll pull it off with the help of our Hilux. So the vehicle is finally out, and it is a Isuzu 2.8 turbo. This is an old model of D-Max, and now as you can see, it has been pulled out. It is in a pretty bad condition. It needs a lot of restoration, but the body of the vehicle is not that bad. It has dents in it, but it's not rusted, and overall the panels are fine. It just needs a fine denting and a paint job, and then it will be cool. But the interior is in a rough condition. But whatsoever, today's task was completed. It was a very tough job to get it out, but finally you can see we have pulled it out of that ditch. And by comparing it to a Hilux, this is a pretty little girl. As you can see, the Hilux is a beast looking in front of that, and it is looking like a Corolla in back of the Hilux. So that was all for today. Hope you viewers found it interesting, and now we are going to move all these vehicles one by one, and I'll show it to you guys, everything to you guys, so it will be fun. So the next project that's gonna be a little tough thing is to move this one. This one is a fine one, it's not that tough, but this FJ40 is gonna be a pretty tough project as well. So stay with us guys and let's see what happens.